5 Tips to Understand Men Better. The Therapists of Knowing and Being Happy that holds couples workshops and for singles who want to learn the art of loving, give details of how men think, in order to build more pleasant, harmonious and loving relationships. Where everyone can express their strengths, potentials, and differences without fears or unnecessary prejudices, they say. 1. Transition times. Men handle a timing completely different from that of women, especially in terms of changing spaces, activities, and communication. This means that it takes a certain transition time for him to change from one state to another, such as moving from work to home. At that time, the man enters an area where all his attention is lost in this process, which does not mean that he is ignoring you, does not care or gives priority to something else, but that he is making all his effort to be able to tune in with you and respond to the new space and situation. Quote. 2. Non-verbal communication. One of the most common mistakes made by both men and women is to believe that they are the same in the way they think, get excited or communicate. They tend to focus mostly on your non-verbal communication, such as your looks, body posture, gestures and the transmission of your emotions, which marks the context in which the content of the communication will be accepted. Moreover, they comment that there are studies that say that the second factor in order of importance in which men are attracted to, is the tone of voice. That's why women have the great challenge of learning to develop and rediscover this femininity rooted in non-verbal sensuality. 3. Stress management. Men are more vulnerable to emotions, especially negative ones when they experience difficult moments and are the worst scenario for women to unburden their frustrations and fears with them. Not doing it is called emotional intelligence, which serves to choose the right minute, without repressing. It is known that the best time to talk about conflicting emotions with men is calm and when the storm has passed, because otherwise, you will only increase the seriousness of the situation. Meanwhile, it is ideal for women to seek support, comfort, empathy, and guidance in your support circles until the waters have calmed down to be able to return to the relationship with assertive and non-reactive communication. 4. Emotional balance. One of the most recurrent complaints of men is the drama, density and emotional negativity of women, before which they compensate with evasive behavior and denial. It is not that we cannot express our most disruptive emotions, but first we have to learn to develop a positive basic mood together with an emotional balance, so that we do not resort to the need to evacuate in them our own emotional ups and downs peculiars of the feminine cycles, and thus maintaining the environment of the couple in its majority with a positive energy. 5. Management of couple times. It is important to understand that couple times should be of quality and not quantity. A bad female practice is the need to devote all her time and energy to maintain the relationship of the couple, adapting to the needs of man. The feminine energy feeds on the sensation of enjoyment, fullness, and joy. This is what a man looks for in a woman and what drives him to keep his partner through time. Instead of being dedicated all day to them, it is crucial to leave space for yourselves and reconnect with your femininity. To learn more about 5 tips to understand men better, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.